I took the topic of nutrition in plants. So have you any idea about this topic?
No.
All right. Okay, that's fine. So basically the topic is nutrition in plants. All right. So basically what is the meaning of nutrition? Nutrition is the process of taking food by an organism and utilization by the body. For example, if I am taking the example of you are eating something. Okay, for example, you are eating food, you are drinking milk, means you are having anything. When you are taking this food, now this food is going to your body, and now that you, what is the utilization of the food in your body? That is known as nutrition. All right, means when we are having something, every food is having some nutrient. Okay, this food is going to our stomach, this is going to our body, and now this food is doing its different function in our body. So this is called as nutrition. And the second thing is nutrients. For example, if you are eating something, like you like butter. Okay, when you are eating butter, when you are eating some oil, when you are having anything that is related to butter or oil, means you are consuming fats. All right, means everything that we are eating is having any nutrient. So major nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, minerals, protein, vitamin, and water. For example, when you are having carrots, mushrooms, spinach, means we are taking vitamins. Correct? This is one of the major nutrient. Next, when we are having potato, we are having chips like finger fries and all these, anything basically from the potatoes, means we are taking carbohydrates. So every food is having some nutrients. Like you like eggs, means we are having proteins. Correct? So everything that we are eating means that is giving us some nutrients. So basically we have 6 type of nutrients. One is carbohydrates, second is fat, third is mineral, four is vitamin, fifth is proteins, and sixth is water. So basically these 6 major nutrients that we need for our body. Now the example, we have taken the example of different foods. Now from where we are getting this food? We can say we are going to the market and we are purchasing everything. Correct? But basically, directly or indirectly, we are dependent upon the plants. Correct? If we want to eat anything, I want to eat potato, I am going to the market, I am buying the potato, but the direct source is not market. The direct source is, what is the source? Plant. If you want to eat anything, means we are depending upon the plants. Or if we are taking the example of non-vegetarians, they are depending upon the animals also. Correct? But in the most cases, we are depending upon the plants. Correct? Okay. We are eating bread. So bread is also indirectly, we are going to the plants for the bread. We are eating pulses. We are going to the plants for the pulses also. So this is the nutrient and nutrition, and basically we are depending upon the plants for our food. Second thing, why we are eating the food? Why we need food? Tell me, why you need food? What is the reason?
Survive, so you can grow your
Sorry.
body. You
Very
can
good. Very
survive and
good.
survive.
Yes, for the survival, for the growth. Okay, if you want to go for any play. Okay, if you want to play something, if you are not having anything, you cannot go and you cannot play. For one day, for 1 hour, for 2 hours, for 3 hours, we can survive without the food, but for a long time we cannot survive. So for the survival, we need food. For the growth, we need food. Sometimes some kids are there, they stop growing, like the height stopped. So what doctor used to tell them? Then give them food, give them milk, give them calcium, give them protein, so that they can grow. So for the growth, we need food. For the energy, if you are not eating anything, you are not having any energy. You will be like that, I want to sleep, that's it. You cannot go, you cannot run, you cannot walk, you cannot study. For all these things, we need energy, and for energy, we need food. Correct? Okay. For damage repair, for example, you are sick. Okay, you are having fever, you are taking supplements, you are taking medicine, but without food, you will not able to walk. For For the damage repair, for the normal routine, for the normal life, we need food. For maintaining bodily functions, for all bodily functions, same like running, playing, walking, studying, we need food. Correct? So these are the importance of the food in our body. Next, why plants need nutrition? What is the importance of the nutrition in the plant? Same like us. Like us, we want growth. They also want growth. They want development. They want to reproduce. For all these functions, they need nutrition. For example, if we are pouring a seed in our in the soil, we are pouring a seed. In this photograph, in this picture, you can easily see, there is a plant, like we are buying a small plant. Okay, if we are not giving that plant a proper nutrition, it will not grow. If we are just putting the plant inside our home, we are not giving it water, it will not grow. For the growth of the plant, it needs water, it needs sunlight, everything it needs. Correct? So for the same thing, like for our body, for our growth, we need food. The same with the plants also. They also need food. They also need water. They also need supplements. So for the growth, for the development, and for the reproduction, they need nutrition. Same like us. Correct? All right. So now the one thing that we are coming to the main point, what is the process of making food in plants? We know that plants make food. We are depending upon the plants for the food. Okay. For example, the potatoes, if I'm taking the example of potato, carrot, from where they are coming? It is not like the God is sending them to the like plants. Like if it is like we have grown the plant and it automatically it is coming out. No, there is a process, and the process is photosynthesis process. Meaning food making process in the plant is known as photosynthesis. So now we are coming to this point and we'll discuss this process. So what is photosynthesis process? Like the name of the photosynthesis is means photo plus synthesis. Photo means light. This is not the clicking pictures. No, this photo is different. So this photo means it's light, and synthesis means combining. So what is the procedure? I will tell you in detail. Now, first of all, main parts of the process. So what is the need of this process? What we want for this process? So we want water, we want soil, we want air, and we want light. Correct? Means if we want to grow anything, any plant, we need water, we need soil, we need air, we need light. By all these things, we can grow anything. So this is the main part of this process. So basically, this is the diagram. Okay, so this is a picture of photosynthesis process. So we can easily see, there are water in the root. Okay, now there are some leaves, and on the leaves it is written as carbohydrates. Carbon dioxide and oxygen we are taking as the example of air, because in the air we know carbon dioxide and oxygen both are there. Correct? Sun is giving us sunlight. So all these are the parts of this process. Correct? Now, how this process is going on? Means we are giving water to the plant in the roots, we are giving it. Okay, now this plant is going to the leaves. Okay, on the leaves there is sunlight is coming on the leaves. Okay, and one side is, okay, we need oxygen or we need carbohydrates for the living? Tell me. We are taking oxygen or we are taking for our survival, when we are taking oxygen. Correct? We are taking oxygen and we are
giving out carbon dioxide.
But in the plants it is opposite. They are taking carbon dioxide and they are leaving oxygen. That's why plants are more powerful, because they are giving us oxygen, and that oxygen is again we are taking. So basically we are depending upon the plants only. Right? In everything we are depending upon them. So this is the process. So where this oxygen is coming? This oxygen is coming out from the photosynthesis process. So this process is giving us so much of oxygen.